Ever wondered where the Kaspa cryptocurrency might be headed in terms of price? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to delve deep into the world of Kaspa, examining its past performance and exploring its future potential. Remember, this analysis is for educational purposes only and shouldn't be considered as financial advice. So, buckle up and prepare your minds for a journey into the intriguing universe of Kaspa. Stick around to learn how Kaspa has been performing and where it might be headed. First off, what exactly is Kaspa? Kaspa, in the simplest terms, is a decentralized, open-source, peer-to-peer cryptocurrency. It's a new kid on the block in the crypto world, but it's making quite a splash. What sets Kaspa apart? It's all in the technology. Kaspa introduces a novel approach to scalability and security with its unique DAG, Directed Acyclic Graph protocol. Unlike traditional blockchain technologies, a DAG system allows for multiple blocks to be added simultaneously, significantly increasing the speed of transactions, but that's not all. Kaspa also offers impressive security features. It uses proof-of-work consensus, which makes it extremely difficult for any single entity to take control of the network. Its design also ensures high resistance to double spending attacks. Kaspa's purpose? To provide a scalable, secure, and fast cryptocurrency platform that can handle the demands of the modern digital economy. Now that we know what Kaspa is, let's delve into its past performance. Kaspa has had quite a journey so far. From its initial launch, this digital currency has been anything but stagnant. Let's delve into the details of its past performance, shall we? In its early days, Kaspa experienced a few turbulence. The price changes were as unpredictable as a roller coaster ride. But like any great adventurer, Kaspa weathered the storm. Several events led to these fluctuations, including market trends, investor sentiment, and global economic conditions. One notable event was the great crypto boom of 2021, which saw Kaspa's value skyrocketing, much like other digital currencies. This was largely due to increased awareness and acceptance of cryptocurrencies, as well as a global shift towards digital transactions. Then there was the infamous crypto crash of 2022, which saw the value of Kaspa, along with many other cryptocurrencies, plummet. This was a result of regulatory concerns and market uncertainty. But despite the downturn, Kaspa managed to bounce back, showcasing its resilience. Through the years, we've observed a general upward trend in Kaspa's performance. This trend, coupled with the currency's ability to adapt and recover, paints a promising picture for its future. But it's important to remember that in the world of cryptocurrencies, nothing is set in stone. Market dynamics are fluid and unpredictable. And while past performance can give us some insights, it is by no means a definitive predictor of the future. So that's how Kaspa has performed in the past. But what about the future? Predicting the future of any cryptocurrency is no easy task. It's a little like trying to predict the weather in a month's time. But let's give it a shot with Kaspa, shall we? First, let's look at Kaspa's past performance. It's shown resilience, bouncing back from market downturns and steadily gaining traction. This kind of tenacity in the face of adversity hints at a bright future. Now let's consider current market trends. The crypto world is ever-changing, but one thing remains constant: the thirst for innovation. And Kaspa, with its cutting-edge technology and groundbreaking concepts, is certainly innovative. It's positioned itself well in a market that rewards novelty and forward-thinking. But what about upcoming events or developments? Well, Kaspa's got a few tricks up its sleeve. It's consistently rolling out updates and features that set it apart from other cryptocurrencies. These developments could potentially drive up its price. However, we can't ignore the potential challenges. Regulatory hurdles, market volatility, and competition are all factors that could impact Kaspa's price. But remember, challenges also present opportunities. They push for innovation, adaptation, and growth. And Kaspa, with its robust design and dedicated team, is well equipped to navigate these waters. While the future is unpredictable, understanding the past and current trends can provide some insight. So, while we can't predict with certainty what lies ahead for Kaspa, we can certainly say it's got a promising future. So, what have we learned today about Kaspa? We've delved into its identity as a unique cryptocurrency, examined its past performance, which has shown a promising trajectory, and explored its future potential based on market trends and technological advancements. It's evident that Kaspa holds an exciting position within the crypto world. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies involves risk, so always do your own research before making any decisions. Thank you for watching.